Are you ready to turn your business ambitions into realities? Welcome to the Tier 1 Business Credit Building course, your next step towards financial mastery. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a course specifically designed to elevate your business by building robust business credit. Let's take your business to the next level with the exclusive advantages our course offers. Our Tier 1 Business Credit Building course, BC 101, isn't just comprehensive. It's a gateway to exclusive business credit opportunities that only a few have access to. Dive deep into advanced credit systems with detailed explainer videos on ChexSystems, Equifax, Experian, and more. But that's just the beginning. You'll also gain access to our exclusive Tier 1 vendor list, the cornerstone of our course. This list connects you directly with trusted vendors offering Net 30 accounts, essential for establishing and enhancing your business credit quickly and effectively. These aren't just any vendors. They are carefully selected and continuously monitored to ensure they provide the most benefit to your business credit journey. This access is your key advantage in navigating the complex world of business credit. Furthermore, our course provides you with all the tools and personalized services you need, from setting up a professional business presence to detailed credit management. Join a community of driven entrepreneurs who have used this exclusive access to transform their business credit profiles and unlock unprecedented growth opportunities. Our First Steps checklist ensures you cover all essentials, from how to correctly display your LLC to securing your DNB number. Every detail is crucial for building a solid credit foundation. Don't miss this opportunity to leverage real, actionable insights to build your business credit. Enroll in the Tier 1 Business Credit Building course today and start utilizing our exclusive vendor list to create a more secure financial future for your business. Visit our website or click the link below to join now.